Hi, join me today as I take inspiration from the Oh So Inspired October 2019 team to make this flip card Christmas card. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Nikki here, Little Crafty Nook, and today I'm going to be making a Christmas card using a 6x6 card base. I bought this envelopes.com, I believe. It's been a while. I have lots and lots of pre-made card bases. So this is actually 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So I will be cutting accordingly. So let's get started. Okay, I have pattern paper and stickers from the A Perfect Christmas Collection by Echo Park. And I have some embellishments that I will use. I haven't quite decided, but we'll see how that goes. All right, let's go ahead and get cutting. Okay, the card base. I'm going to take off here and cut one and a half. Yeah, 1.5 I think would be good. Okay. Let's mark. Now let's try 1 3/4. How's that? Okay. So let's see. 1 3/4 all the way up to the score line. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to cut just using my scissors. That was a little smudge. That's going on the back, and I'll probably cover that up anyway. So, okay. There's one piece that I can use for sentiment or something later. Okay, so there we go. Oh, let me cut that down a little bit more. Okay. All right. Now, because, like I said, this is 6 1/4, I'm going to cut this piece 6 by 6. Okay. We're done with that piece. Okay. Perfect. Oh, and one of the other collaborators, the Scottish crafter, Sam, she used decorative scissors, and I was going to do that, and I forgot. Anyway, I can always make another one using decorative scissors instead of my trimmer. Okay. Now, because this is white, I don't feel like I have to cover it up with other stuff. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put a little piece down here, and then I'm going to put a sticker here, and then some embellishments. And let's see. Yeah, a sentiment sticker, and maybe some embellishments, and then this piece. So let's measure this. This is 2 3/4, so I will make this, I'm not sure what that is. It's a little over 2 1/2. I used to be good at math. Let's cut this down so I can get to it. All right, let's see. 2 and, what did we decide? A little bit over 2 1/2. So, okay, like that. Maybe I'll do top and bottom. Let me see. I don't think I'll have enough room. Maybe. Let's see. No. Just have it. There it is. This buffalo check here on this piece is smaller than the big pattern paper, so I want to keep it even. Okay, so this is a little over 2 1/2. I'll take off just a hair when I trimmed it earlier. Oh, that still doesn't look great. Okay. All right, we have that on top and that on the bottom. Okay. Glue that down. Okay, let's see. Sticker that will fit. That's the secret. Sticker that will fit. Okay. We wish you Merry Christmas. And a pencil bow on top of that. And then we need a piece underneath. So let's measure this. 2 7/8, not quite 3, just under 3. So let's go underneath a little bit. Let's use another white piece. So we have, okay, so all I need to do is cut it to 2 7/8. Or a little bit smaller. Okay. Yep, that'll work. So before I put it in, let's stamp the sentiment. Let's see. I don't know what happened to all my Christmas stamps. Okay, we're gonna glue it on, put on some embellishments, and write a handwritten note. How's that? All right. Okay. Let us decorate. Let's see what's on the background here. We do have a Santa Claus. That would be too big. How about this down here? And this up here. And we have just enough room for a little note. Okay, so there's our flip fold card. Thank you so much for joining me. And thank you to all the Oh So Inspired team for another great month. Bye-bye.